In this Enterprise Android Pro tip, we're going to walk through installing and using the best free screen sharing utility for Android devices. Let's get started. So today we're going to walk through a product called SCRCPY. It is from a company called Genymotion, and you can see it's got a GitHub site here. Genymotion is a company that does emulators, so if you have to test on, let's say, 1,000 different device types and formats, you could emulate that in the cloud pretty easily. I think you can get a couple thousand devices from them, scale up and run testing and scale down. So if you have consumer devices, it's really good for testing. And then also for enterprise, you have to support multiple form factors. It's a great company. But one of the tools they have that's actually free is called SCRCPY, or SCRCPY is the how to run that. So we're going to walk through how to install that on your Mac device. There's also installs for Windows, but I'm going to walk through specifically on Mac today. So prerequisites for this, you need to make sure you have ADB installed on your computer. You need to have ADB enabled on your mobile devices. You need to have an internet connection. First things first, I'm going to open up my terminal window. To install this, I use Homebrew, or it's called Brew. So do brew, install, and then SCRCPY. And it's going to go and look for that specific install from the Homebrew repository. It's going to go through and install everything. This will take a couple minutes. Any sort of prerequisites and requirements for it will install as well. All right, installation is complete. Now we're going to go ahead and run SCRCPY. SCRCPY is now started up, so you can see my device here. There's definitely some nice features of this. You can fully control your device from this node. One of the other things that's nice here that I like is you can actually install applications by dragging them into the browser or into the SCRCPY view. So if I take this and drag it over, you can see it'll actually do an ADB install and stream and install that BF browser app. So that was successfully installed. And now if I look at the machine and click, I will see that Bluefletch browser is there. So from a tooling standpoint, there is a lot of great features and functionality. You can dive into it, but definitely a great tool if you're looking for something free to do screen sharing with your Android devices. Thanks for joining me for this Android Enterprise Pro tip. If you have other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Thank you.